Hi guys, we received this Soccer Mini Cordless rotary tool. It has a 5-speed setting. It uses a Type-C port to charge itself. It's really lightweight and it has a powerful LED light, so you can see what you are doing, and it's perfect for making do-it-yourself projects, stuff like that. Okay, let's take everything out of the box. It comes with this travel package, which is really nice. And when we open it, first thing we see are the instruction manuals. And here we can see that you have for stuff for grinding, carving, drilling, cutting, polishing. So it's really a really complete set. Okay. So, well, this is the main unit. It has the LED in here and the turn on right here. So you can see it starts spinning, and I can set the speed. I will let it doesn't have any tip, it doesn't file anything, but in here we've got the sanding mesh. It's 60 grit and 120 grit. We've got both, and some sanding paper. It's smaller. The first level. So as you can see, it's really nice. It works perfectly. It's really easy to use, really easy to interchange the parts. So it's really great. It's a great option if you like to do some do-it-yourself projects, which is perfect. And I would really recommend it. See ya.